Hi guys, so let me quickly show you this staking that is over 200% APR, and I believe you guys will love this. So let's just jump into it without wasting your time as usual. So if you don't know what this is dappradar, and currently staking is ongoing, and you can actually earn something for yourself. You can see the price right here. So let's go to staking so you can see. Okay, so if you are staking on Sushi Swap, which is a D app and a third party staking, you can click on open Sushi Swap. Then you buy, you need to have radar and then Ethereum that has the same quantity, right? Then you stake it in there. Then you earn reward for that. But I'm not really concerned about that currently. And as you can see here, this is 1.4 million staked. So let's move to the version 2 staking. Version 1 closed recently, so let's just move to 2 and let's get to it. So currently this is a cross-chain staking. Now what that means is, irrespective of the chain you are staking, you can easily take or harvest, take the profit or harvest in any network you want. You can stake in Ethereum, then you harvest the profit in BNB chain. Okay, then you can stake in BNB chain and harvest in Ethereum as well. So as you can see, I staked 8,700 or thereabouts in Ethereum, and then you can see the APR. Currently I've earned $2 for this staking, and the previous one I earned about, I think, $20 within a few days. So if you do the maths now and all, it's making much more sense. So if you leave this, I can't tell you, I don't know how long this will last, but I think you should jump on this as soon as possible. Okay, so let me just switch to the Ethereum BNB chain and see. So as you can see right here, all you have to do is just switch. Then if you check the platform, you are going to see that what's it called, I advise you stake with the BNB chain, because the gas fee and the allow fee, the smart contract, whatever, is way cheaper than Ethereum gas fees. So you can just buy, I think you have on ApeSwap. Do your own research on that. I just want to show you the APR. So I have 212.87% what's it called now, APR. And if you go by that, you can say I staked 1,000 token here on the BNB chain. And then guys, I just advise you stake while the stake option is still on. Then you can unstake anytime. That's a good thing about this. It's actually not locked for any time. So when you stake on BNB chain, it should cost you less than $2, I guess, or $3 or thereabout. But when gas is high for Ethereum, it can cost you a lot. So I advise you just take profits when you can, and you can decide to hold or sell. That's your own choice. But I just want to show you this 212% APR. Like I said earlier, it was around there about 500 percent. But the more people stake, the lesser the APR becomes. So currently you have 736k staked here. So I hope you guys will jump on this, and I'll be dropping more for you later. Okay, see you guys next time.